is a 24 karat gold for you. If you are missing one class, mean you miss 24 karat gold, right? Make it a habit. Sir gave you make it, right? Make it a habit to understand things. Try to understand things and use it anywhere you will get chance. Anywhere mean to say at home, at school. Don't think that the other will make mockery. Make mockery mean they will make fun of you, right? Don't think the other will make mockery or make fun of you. Like sir said, it is a cup of tea. If you take interest, and one more thing I want to add in, English is a language. If you want to learn English, you need to come out from the humiliation part. Everyone think that if we start speaking, we will humiliate. Mean to say, you always think in your mind that when you stand and you speak, you won't speak. This is your thought. This is your notion. And whenever we stand and start speaking, you start making sentence in Hindi in your mind and start translating that sentence in English in your mind. First you think in Hindi and then you start translating in English in your mind. So because of this episode is going on in your mind, you can't deliver it properly. This is what going on here. Am I right or wrong? So the first thing, first and foremost, like sir gave you this word, the first and foremost, right? You need to make a habit that whenever you start speaking, don't think in Hindi in your mind first. Am I clear? And for the spoken English, we need to think about two main point, or according to me, I think they are the pillar of spoken English. The one is your subject and the other one is your object. Subject, which I clear already in the last class, singular, plural. In the singular we have he, she, it, any name, and in plural I, we, you, they. It will go constantly, nothing will change in singular and plural. So the one is clear. The second pillar is the object. What is the meaning of object in spoken English? Whenever you are saying something, you itself a subject and you are going to explain the object. आप किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में ही बोलने जा रहे हो, right? So subject and object work together, or in other words, the subject explain object. So whenever someone says start speaking or they gave you any topic, the one and first and foremost you will do, you will find out your object first. Let's suppose I gave you topic, stand and speak about projector, right? Say something about the projector. So what you need to do first, start finding object first on priority basis. So how we select the object first on priority basis? If someone give me order to say something about project, I will make 3 or 4 object first in my mind. The one is a black color is object. Second is it focus, second object, right? Third is it give clear picture, third object. Fourth is it's fine, 3 object, right? So now I am going to deliver my lecture. So sir, it is a projector, it has black color, it has a magnifying lens, it give a clear picture. Then, so what you people do, if I said that start making something on projector, you start making lines in your mind. You start making lines in your mind. And firstly you do it in Hindi. Don't do it in Hindi. Don't make lines, don't make sentences in your mind. Think about the object on priority basis. Subject you do not need to think, right? And when you do this type of practice, definitely sooner or later, right, it become a part and parcel of your life. What? Spoken English become a part and parcel of your life. What is the meaning of part and parcel? Part and parcel mean it become a हिस्सा, आपकी लाइफ का हिस्सा हो जाएगा. So it become a part and parcel of your life. So when you start speaking, it become like a bed of rose for you. What is mean of bed of rose? Spoken English become a bed of rose for you. मीन आसान हो जाएगा. It will not be a rocket science for you. It become a cup of tea. Am I clear or not? And one thing the sir notice, when you start speaking, your posture, you are standing like this, like this. Posture explain everything. Posture explain everything. When you stand, stand properly. And your voice, what is the meaning of, आप बोल सकते हो ना जब लड़ते हो, when you fight with others, you have a higher pitch. And when you start speaking, you have a very low pitch. Why? Because you have a hesitation. You already think in your mind, मैं तो गलती बोलने जा रहा हूँ, जा रही हूँ. Why? You are itself pushing yourself down. No one other is pushing you down. कोई और नहीं बोल रहा, आपको बोलना नहीं आता. Your thought,